Hello traders, welcome back to Unstockable Trading. Hey Google, stop. Today I was very happy to see a breakout to the upside, but we saw there was news about Trump speaking, and we have the news about the CFO of Huawei and get a delayed bailout. So market didn't like that, and we had a nice bounce in the morning, 10ish a.m., 10:30, and then a massive sell-off towards the end of the day. So it's still a mixed signal, and today both calls and puts got killed every hour. My suggestion for you is to stay away from the market until we have a confirmed signal of what it's going to do. I'm 60% bearish to the downside and 40% up to the upside, but it most likely we are going to touch the 2600 level, if not tomorrow, maybe Friday, and then continue to have a sell off to the downside of 2570 before a bounce to come. And feel free to join my Discord group. It's free. We have people that trade options, and it'll be nice to have you in the group too. Let's take a look at SPY, the largest ETF for the SP 500. And I was confirming a bounce to the upside, but it was so weak. And so I'm gonna change my projection right now to a downside. I'll be targeting 262 in the short term, possibly Thursday onto Friday. Tomorrow, I'm still thinking it's going to be a mixed signal and have a flat or a slightly green day. That's my look on SPY. And onto Apple. Apple had a head fake today to the upside and just tanked after 9:45. For Apple, we projecting to go to 175 area-ish, but right now we are rejecting at 172. So I am still going to have a bullish on Apple so far because it's trying to break out and it did not, but it fell down. But if you look at this wick here, for me, a wick like this on a day chart, it's a bullish signal towards the upside. So I am still going to say Apple's gonna hit 175 in a week or so. That's my opinion on Apple. Let's take a look at Amazon. I had a bearish look on Amazon yesterday, and we closed at red today. A red candle today appeared on Amazon. So most likely, Amazon is not going to go above the 0.382 area, but however, we might have a retest tomorrow to try to break 1665. I am still targeting 1700 on Amazon, but if tomorrow we fail to retest, I'm going to be short bias on Amazon, targeting 1620 on Amazon. So just be careful. I have an Amazon call. Let's see how it works out tomorrow, because based on the technical from Asia, they are due for a rebound to the upside, and hopefully the news with Canada and China could be better, so it can boost the global markets a bit. Let's take a look at the last one. We'll look at AMD. I know AMD was green today. For AMD, I still see this right here. I still have a projected outlook on AMD to the downside, and we are at 1998. So in the short term, for AMD, I'm going to see a bounce towards the 20.5, somewhere right here to cover it up. So in the short term, I'll be targeting 20.8, 0.5, 20. What close at 1998. Targeting 20.5 or 20 to 21 around this area right here. So it's going to trade within this range, and it should be. So let me just move this a little bit right here. That's why my projection on AMD. I'm still bearish on AMD in the long term. I do believe it's going to come back down to sub 20 to the low of 18 bucks. Let's take a look at Nvidia. For Nvidia, we had a dead cat bounce and it failed. So for Nvidia, I'll be targeting, again, we're still in this trading zone. I have a bearish outlook in Nvidia. I'll be targeting the $140 by end of Friday. So it's most likely Nvidia is going to come down to $130, I'll say, next week. Because with this small dead cat bounce, not even filling the gap, and then we have a downtrend already. I'm not too bullish on Nvidia, so there'll be a nice put play 2 weeks out on Nvidia. I'll be targeting 135 for the strike price. Be careful with the market. Again, it's a mixed signal, and I will stay out and do no trade. No trade is the best trade. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.